student today is looking for an opportunity to test themselves against their peers and other students to understand where they stand in today's rigorous competitive world. And that is very essential for every child. If you are a student in grade 3 to grade 11 and your aspiration is to take Olympiad exams, attempt engineering and medical entrance examinations in India, this is your wonderful opportunity for you. Sri Chaitanya will be your favorite destination because we are here to prove every single year, and we have proved great results year after year. Unlock your future with ScoreEdge, Sri Chaitanya's talent search examination, where every student gets an opportunity to showcase themselves. The right opportunity at the right time is extremely important. And Sri Chaitanya is here to offer scholarships to students who are deserving and who are willing to work hard with us to make sure that we fulfill the students' dreams and goals. Sri Chaitanya today is at 925 schools with 9 lakh students. This is a wonderful opportunity to participate, and we are here to guide you throughout the way.